Hello students, now I will take your social science class for class 7 and today we'll learn geography, our environment. Everyone take out your books page number 109 and this chapter name is the environment and its totality. Okay, the environment in its totality. So now everyone look at the book and there is about our environment. Let's start from here. What is environment? The sum total of conditions prevail in our surroundings, including one or more ecosystem, make our environment. So, what is environment? The sum of total of all conditions prevail in our surroundings, including one or more ecosystem, make our environment. It sustains all life forms. We get everything from the surroundings: air, water, food, shelter, etc. Where environment, from environment we get the air, water, food, shelter, etc. Both environment and ecosystem have similar the components living and non-living. However, in case of the environment, they many existed and independently, whereas in case of the ecosystem, they form of a system of interaction and independences. Okay, they are independences. And next one is components of environment. First, the components are environments. Now learn this. The term environments come from the French words environ or environner, which is the combination of two words in and viron, means circle, meaning the encircle and subordinate. Our environment has two main components. Where how many components in our environment? There are two components in our environment. This is the natural and human. These are the components of our environment. There are two type of components. Number one, natural components, and number two, human components. And natural components again also divided two types: the biotic, abiotic, and human components also again two types. This is the society and man-made structure. Okay, do you have understood? And now let's learn about the natural environment. Natural environment includes both the physical and the biological environment, contain biotic and abiotic components. Human environment consists of human society that includes culture, what's culture, economy, political life, the religion, etc. And man-made structure like the canals, dams, roads, buildings. Point to the noted, everyone. And the man-made structure like canals, dam, roads, building, etc. And now, natural environments. Natural environment includes the all living things, biotic and non-living things. Abiotic, they exist naturally on the earth's surface. And natural environment also includes the interaction and independence of the all living the species among themselves and with their non-living surroundings. The difference between biotic and abiotic components are given in table 1. And now everyone look at here. Here is one table and this is the difference of the biotic components and abiotic components. What's the difference? What is the difference of between both of them? Now I'll start and we'll learn from here. Anything related to the living things is biotic. So, what is biotic? Anything related to living beings is biotic, and anything related to non-living things are abiotic. They perform the functions of birth and growth and death. These components, the biotic components, has the functions of what? Birth, growth, and death also. The supply of energy to the living things. Now, this is the supply of energy to the living things. This is abiotic components. The adapted themselves as per the abiotic environment. This is the adapted themselves as per the abiotic environment. And this is the make the environment of the living things. Here is example: plants and plants and animals are the biotic component. This is an example of the biotic components. And next one is the abiotic components example: sunlight, water and soil. Okay. And see here, the physical components of our natural environment is divided into the three broad categories. This is the lithosphere, hydrosphere and atmosphere. So how many different divided environment divided? Natural environment divided. How many types, students? Natural environment divided the three types. This is called the number 1 is lithosphere, number 2 hydrosphere and the number 3 is atmosphere. The interaction among themselves, the domains gives rise to another, the domain or zone of life called biosphere. The interaction among these three domains and the interaction of these lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmospheres domains gives rise to another domain or zone of life called biosphere. This is known as biosphere. And next one is lithosphere and hydrosphere. Now we'll learn about the lithosphere and hydrosphere. Lithosphere is a Greek word. Lithosphere is a Greek word which means rocks, and rocks are the main materials of the earth crust. They are made of the minerals which are found in the internal and as well the earth surface of the earth and surface as well as the ocean floor, the landforms and developed by the demonstration of the degradation of rocks. And next one is hydrosphere. It is the domain of water which the compromise the nearly 3/4 and earth surface. This includes the oceans, rivers, lakes, seas and other water bodies. The oceans, seas, waters, the salines where rivers and lakes and ponds have the fresh water. So students, everyone, this chapter from here to where learn at your home. Okay, do you understood? Bye bye.